Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to get coins in FIFA Mobile. So there are lots of things that you can do in order to get coins. Okay, now the first one is to go to the market. So just have to tap on the market at the bottom corner and then tap on my players. Okay, and then tap on or choose one of your player, and then you'll have to sell it. For example, this one, so just have to tap on sell, then tap on sell again, and then confirm. Okay, and then confirm again. So when we go to my orders, it will show the player that you have sell. So as of the moment, you just have to wait since no one is buying your player. So okay, let's just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, that's right. Now when we go back here, it has been sold, so you just have to tap on the claim all coins. Okay, so as you can see, your money has increased. Okay, that's the first one that you can do. Now the second one is just to tap on the quest, and then here you'll see lots of options, so you'll just have to explore these things. So for example, this one, as you can see, we can claim up to 300,000 coins. So when you tap on it, we'll be able to claim it. So just have to confirm and then explore again and choose until you see the free coins or the class that you can do to gain more coins. Okay, so now the third one is just to go to the store, and then you'll see lots of packs here, so you just have to tap on it and then you can buy the packs in a different way. You can use your gem or your money from or the currency from your country or what country you're living in. Now the next one is to tap on the star pass. Okay, and then as you can see here, there are lots of things that you can collect. So as you can see, this collect all buttons, you just have to tap on it. Then from here you'll be able to collect different item, including coins as well. So right after that, you will just have to click on continue. Okay, now the next one is just to tap on daily logged in. Okay, and then from that you'll be able to see the things or the items that you can collect when you logged in. So you just have to tap on the claim in order to have that. Now the next one is just you just have to tap on the live events, and then choose the different events here. So when you play one of these events, you'll be able to collect coins from the game. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can get coins in FIFA Mobile. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.